Hi, I'm Sherry Lynn Wood. I am an artist and an improviser and an author and a quilt maker and a teacher. I've been improvising with patchwork for over 30 years, and one of the things that keeps my attention and keeps me coming back is because making quilts and working with patchwork is all about making patterns. And in this class we're going to work with strip piecing, or sometimes called string piecing. We're going to talk about how to curate fabrics and how colors work together. We're going to learn how to cut strips without a ruler and how to piece them together. We're going to learn how that there's no mistakes in improv. Finally, we'll learn how to troubleshoot if your patchwork doesn't lie flat. If you've never done improv before, this is a great place to start. You're going to learn about color, you're going to have fun with the technique, and you're going to end up with a piece of patchwork that you can use in any kind of project.